All right, kindergarten, we are working in our math expressions workbook packet. So the packet, the one with the white cover that you're able to color, the first math expressions packet. And we will be on the page that has a 315 at the top, 3-15, or you might see at the bottom it has a 59. Okay? 59. And we are going to write the number. So we're going to write the number of shapes that you see in gray, and we're going to try to subitize. And subitize means that we are looking at a group of pictures or shapes or colors, and we are able to see how many there are without counting one by one. So I see a group of 3. So you're going to write 3. Then we've been also working in 5 groups. So I can immediately say that this is a 5 group because there's 2 here, 1 in the middle, and 2 on the other side. So that makes a group of 5. And then I see there are partners, so that means that's 2. That's easy, that's a 1. And then 1, 4. You're right. You guys are good at this. And then I want you to do the same thing with these. Try to write the number without having to count individually each shape, right? So I know that's a group of 5, because again, we've been working with recognizing groups of 5. And then 5 plus adding 3 more. 5 plus 3 is 8. Good. 5 plus 1 is 6. Oh, that got a little big. 2 groups of 5, just like your hands, you have 2 groups of 5. 2 groups of 5 equals 10. Good. So I want you to count or not count, right? These groups and then the more that they have in the other space. So we have partners, right? And count these triangles up here. On the bottom it says, write the numbers that are missing. So we're going to go from 1, we know 2's next, then we know 3, then 4, 5, 6, what comes after 7, 8, and fill in the rest. If you don't remember, can you get your number line? Yes. Can you use your hundreds chart from last pickup? Yes. If you forget, oh, I forgot what a 14 or a 17 or a 16 looks like, and because we have to write them down here, then definitely go look in your materials, because that is what you do. You use your resources and get your number line or get your hundreds chart, okay? All right, moving on to the next page then. Let's scroll, or you flip over to the next page, right? Flip, 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 flip. And on the back, you will have this page with the big triangle, or not triangle, but rectangle. And on the back it says draw 14 socks. So you have to count 1 to 14 in drawing socks. So this might look like a stocking, right? So maybe 1 sock, 2 socks, and maybe I do 2 groups of 5, which makes 10, and then add 4 more. So there's another sock. Oh, that's a bit sloppy, isn't it? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. And then let's do a partner of 4, right? Because I know 10 plus 4 equals 14. Because we've been working on teen numbers, haven't we? Well, all right, and when you are finished with that, you can put your packet away in a safe spot and then go to Seesaw to do the Seesaw activity, okay?